Welcome back, loves. If you all watched my previous video on the Kiss DIY dip kit, you'll know at the end I tried to do a gel manicure and it was an epic fail, so I told y'all you had to come back for part two. Well, this is part two. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys my final results. I'm also going to give you my honest opinion and just, my final thoughts on the whole DIY dip kit by Kiss. But first, let me tell you guys what happened. So after all this hard work I put in with this kit, child, I was so happy to do this gel manicure. But turns out this little LED UV lamp you see right here in this video was a piece of crap, total waste of money. And in results, my little manicure was an epic fail. So in order to remove that gel polish that was tacky and never really cured, I ended up having to use acetone and file the nails again, buff them out again. And so I went ahead and got the Hansen Miracle Gel nail polish. That pinky nudie color you see is actually called Once Chiffon a Time or something like that. And it's just a really pretty pale milky pink. It just for some reason reminds me of a milkshake. And I just love it so much. It's so pretty. The camera really doesn't do it any justice, but it's a really pretty color. And I end up using about 3 coats. And then the top coat I am using is their crystal top coat, which gave it like, you know, some pizzazz. But it turned out really, really cute. I was so happy. Final thoughts on the Kiss DIY Salon Dip Kit. Would I buy it again? Absolutely, yes. I actually have fun doing this, and I could see like me doing it maybe 1 or 2 more times, and I'll probably get really, really good at it. I just need to work on my shaping, maybe need to get an electric filer, and also, I need some cuticle oil, child, my lord. I would like to see if they have maybe like a shorter set. That way I'm not having to do too much shaping, and I'll probably try to stay away from coughing and just do something real basic and regular. But as far as the Sally Henson polish, love it, love it, love it. Go check it out. It dries really quickly and it looks good. Again, thanks for watching. Subscribe and share if you care. Bye.